another 5 boxes in 5 minutes. The Pyramid Collection, the boxes of ancient Egypt. Guys, box number 1 is a statement piece. The Pyramid of Giza. Look at that, guys, a great looking box, isn't it? The Pyramids of Giza. Opening flap at the front, so you can hold all your jewellery in the box. Look at that, guys. 2 obelisks, one outside, with hieroglyphics on them. It just pops, guys. It's made of European beech and Padouk, African Padouk. It just is, this box, it just is. Okay, guys, let's move on. Another pyramid box from the other side of the world, the Aztec box. It's got a staircase going up each side, and it rotates so you can hold your rings and earrings. Look at that, guys. Those staircases were bloody hard to make. Very small they were. It's another one that pops. It's got hidden chambers in it. It just is, this box. Very unique, very unique. It's made of spotted gum, a wenge, with a Padouk handle on top. Just a very unusual box, guys. Very hard to make too, by the way. Let's move on. Okay, guys, the third box is a treasury box. A box of 3 drawers to hold all your coins. Look at that, guys. It's made of blackwood and heaver with a coin face topper on it. Great box, that. The coins really make it pop, don't it? Especially with the blackwood. And the coins for handles. Look at that, guys. It really is a good looking box, isn't it? With its angled corners, very tactile. Okay, guys, moving on. Box 4 is a little pyramid box. Look at that. Very elegant. With a hidden chamber underneath to hold all your jewellery and your rings. It's made of blackwood, kauri and heaver. Look at that, guys. Great looking box. The old pyramid box. The base came off an old Melbourne tram, so we estimate 1 million people have stood on this bit of timber. Probably took 1 million people to make the pyramids. So it just... Nearly dropped it. What a great looking box, guys. What a great looking box. Small one, but a good one. Let's move on. Box number 5 is what I call the sarcophagus box. It's got a floating sarcophagus with a hidden chamber to hold all your rings and earrings. Made of 4 different timbers. Red gum, maple, walnut and beech. What an unusual looking box, guys. What an unusual looking box. It is a very unusual looking box, isn't it, guys? Very unusual. Look at that. I'm not going to say the word, but it does a little bit. It really does a little bit pop. Okay, guys, that's it. Please subscribe or watch another one of my videos about my boxes. I've got a whole heap of them. And we'll see you again in the next video where we'll be making another box. Yay!